How many backgrounds can I fit into one intro? Good morning or good afternoon. Still on vacation here. Today, cat footage with some music. She's hiding from me in plain sight. Hello, Tane. Let me pet you, Tane. Okay. There we go. That's a happy kitty. Hi, kitty. Hello, Tane. Cheers to Gemma face.
Gemma.
Gemma.
Gemma, Bama, baby.
Gemma.
She's like, you guys keep calling my name. What's that about? Glaring at the camera. Are you glaring at the camera? Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Say hello, Nula. You are very fluffy. Yes, you little Nula Bula. So very fluffy. She's mostly fluff. See? You're on video. Be happy. And you're gonna swat the camera. Yeah, that will work. No, don't turn around and face away from me. Nula. Hello, Chirpy. You like being on camera? Huh, Nula? Oh, you're so fluffy. Yes, you're so fluffy. Spin around in circles like that. That's so cute. Nula. Nula. See, I knew you would to me eventually. Weren't happy when I got here, were you? No. Anthony. He's like, I don't want to be filmed. What are you doing? I'm leaving you. I'm stalking you. Oh. Hello, Anthony.
Checking it all out.
Anthony, baby. Hello, Anthony.
What's going on, Gemma?
Anthony, you're sniffing the camera, and the camera's got a great shot of your nose there. Hello, Anthony. And you sniffed the camera there. Do you like to rub the camera? Do you like to rub the camera? Yes. And there are cats watching me film.